Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to talk to you about Numatic vacuum cleaners. Numatic Henry Extra Large Charles CVC370-2 versus George GVE370-2. The ultimate 15-liter vacuum cleaners comparison. When it comes to powerful, reliable and versatile vacuum cleaners, Numatic iconic lineup rarely disappoints. Among its standout 15-liter models, the Henry Extra Large, Charles CVC370-2 and George GVE370-2 each has its own strengths tailored to specific household needs. Whether you are dealing with dry debris, wet messes, or looking for a multi-surface, deep cleaning solution, understanding how these three vacuum cleaners work or compare will help you to make confident decision. The core differences: dry versus wet and dry, features and power. Let's start with Henry Extra Large, a robust dry only vacuum that is built for big clean-ups, designed for those who need a high capacity machine without the complexity of wet features. Henry Extra Large offers a massive 15-liter dry capacity, a powerful 620 watts motor, and a standout 12.5 meter cable, the longest of the three, for excellent reach. Its heavy-duty drum and tough protective bumper makes it ideal for DIY cleanups, garage use, and heavy household dirt. Though it lacks wet functionality, it more than compensates with superior build, a hygienic dust disposal system using Henry HEPA flow bags, an all-round toolkit designed for cars, carpets, stairs, and hard floors. By contrast, the Charles CVC370 offers flexibility of both wet and dry vacuuming with the same 15-liter dry and 9-liter wet capacity with a 1000 watts motor. It is built to handle serious cleaning tasks from plumbing accidents and spills to post DIY dust. Charles can switch between wet and dry mode quickly and easily, and includes all the necessary tools for both: a combi floor tool, wet pickup attachments, and a comprehensive accessory set. What sets Charles apart is its pure functionality. It doesn't shampoo or extract like George, but it handles both liquid and solid messes without flinching. Then there is George GVE370-2, the most feature-rich of the trio. George is not just a vacuum, it is an all-in-one cleaning companion that handles dry vacuuming, wet pickup, carpet shampooing, hard floor scrubbing, upholstery refreshing, and even sink unblocking, equipped with the same 15-liter dry and 9-liter wet capacity, a powerful 1000 watts motor, and a wide variety of tools, including fishtail extraction nozzle, upholstery shampoo kit. George goes beyond basic cleaning. It is perfect for deep cleaning households, pet messes, and even in-car valeting, offering near professional results on demand, practical uses, and build quality. All three models share Numatic hallmark: sturdy plastic construction, easy maneuverability, onboard tool storage, and long life performance. Each comes with a HEPA filtration, 3-text filter, and a variety of attachments for different surface and scenario. Charles and George weighs in a slightly heavier due to its dual function nature, with George being the heaviest at 12.2 kg. Henry Extra Large, while dry only, is slightly lighter than George but still robust at 10 kg. Henry XL is the simplest to operate if dry vacuuming is all you need. Its long cable, 12.5 meter compared to Charles and George 10 meter, give it an edge for users cleaning large areas. However, both Charles and George hold its own with controls and quick changing capability. George doesn't require a little more setup due to its shampooing function, but pays off with unmatched versatility. Which one to buy? Choose the Numatic Henry XL if cleaning needs are purely dry or tackling large household mess after DIY job. It is a day for homes, garages, or those who value simplicity, durability, and excellent reach. Opt for Charles if you need a vacuum that handles both dry debris and liquid mess, from emergency spills and plumbing mishaps to garage clear out. Charles delivers serious wet and dry performance in a rugged, no fuss package. Go for George if you want an all-in-one solution. George is perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone needing to deep clean carpets, shampoo upholstery, or tackle all type of home cleaning tasks with a professional finish. Each of these vacuums has a 15-liter capacity, a 2-year guarantee, and the legendary Numatic reliability. The best choice ultimately depends on your cleaning priorities. For straightforward dry cleaning, Henry XL is a powerhouse. For wet and dry flexibility, Charles is your workhorse. But if you want it all, vacuuming, washing, scrubbing, and stain removal, George is the ultimate multitasker. By matching your lifestyle to the right Numatic model, you will make a smart investment in the machine built to last and clean like no other. These vacuum cleaners deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.